Dear students of Greenland Public School Sibdhara, you are welcome to the new class. Dear students of class 9th, again I would like to guide you in mathematics of NCERT exercise 13.3. Before this I have taught you 12.1, 12.2, 13.1, 13.2, and today this chapter will also in, that is 13.3. Dear students, question number 4 I taught you. Again I would like to repeat this question. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find slant height of the tent and cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Before this class I taught this question. You will revise this question again. Now question number 6 you will see. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tent are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 200 per 100 meter square. Slant height L is equal to given 25, radius is given half of diameter, that is 14 upon 2, that is 7 meter. Now dear students, we have to find out the whitewashing of its curved surface area. Therefore curved surface area is equal to pi RL is equal to 22 upon 7 into R is 7, L is 25, 7 get cancelled, 22 into 25, that is 550 meter square. So curved surface area we have got 550 meter square. Dear students, now cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 210 of 100 meter square, that is cost of 100 meter square of whitewashing is rupees 210. Therefore cost of 1 meter square of whitewashing will be rupees 210 by 100. Therefore cost of 550 meter square will be 210 by 100 into 550. This 0 get cancelled, this 0 get cancelled, so 21 into 25 we get here rupees 1155. Now next question you will see here. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone. A joker cap is in the form of a right circular cone of radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. How many such caps you have to frame? 10 such caps. So you will see now radius is given 7 cm, height is given 24 cm. So we have to find out slant height. L is equal to under root h square plus r square is equal to under root 24 square plus 7 square is equal to 526 plus 49 is equal to under root 625 is equal to 25 cm. Therefore area of the sheet required is equal to curved surface area is equal to pi RL is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 25, that is 550 centimeter square. So area of sheet required for 10 such caps is equal to 10 into 550 is equal to 5500 centimeter square. So that will be the required area, that is 5500 centimeter square. Dear students, next question you will see a little bit important. A bus stop is barricaded. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road. By using 50 hollow cones. Hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 cm and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Take pi is equal to 3.14 and under root 1.04 is equal to 1.02. This hint has been given because slant height will come like this, under root 1.04, so its value will be 1.02. But if this value will not be given, then you can find out the square root it and you can get it 1.02, but for the sake of convenience in the book or in the question it has been given. Dear students, what is given here? Radius is given 40/2, that is 20 centimeters equal to 0.2 meter. Now height is given 1 meter, so we can find out slant height. Slant height is equal to under root r square plus h square is equal to under root r square plus h square is equal to under root 0.04 plus 1, that is under root 1.04 is equal to 1.02. So slant height we have got 1.02. Dear students, we have to find out 50 holocones because for barricading 50 holocones are required. So curved surface area of 50 holocones is equal to 50 into pi RL is equal to 50 into pi value we have to take 3.14 into R we have to take 0.2 and L we have to take 1.02. So if we multiply 50 into 3.14 into 1.02 we get 160.14 into this radius 0.2, and after multiplication we get 32.028 meter square. Now here it is given cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 12. From outside it is painted, that is why this is outer surface. So we can say cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 12. Therefore cost of painting, now cost of painting 32.028 I multiply 32 right here 2 in 0.2, radius is 0.2, here radius is given 0.2. So I have written again 0.2 into 160 into 1.14. If you multiply these two, you will get 32.028. So here 12 into 32.028 is equal to 384.336. So total cost will be how much? Rupees 384.336. Dear students, this chapter has ended. By now you have read 5 chapters of mensuration. By now you will divide these all 5 chapters in sequences. Thank you.